One of the common questions I get from my clients is about detoxing. Do they need it? How does it work? Is it bad for you? Is it good for you? How often should I do it? Those kinds of things. Now, detoxing and cleanses opens a bigger conversation than I can have here in just the 1 or 2 minutes of this video. So I actually have an entire free training about the power of detoxing. It's one of those little things that can make a really big difference to our health, to our energy level, to weight loss, to clearing our brain fog. And so it is a topic that I love discussing with my clients, and it's something that I want to share with you too. So it's a completely free training. If you'd like to check it out, I'll pop the link here with this video where you can head on over. It's called The Power of Detoxing because it is really, really powerful. And in the training, I'm going to give you some really simple tips that you can take action on right away to start noticing some improvement to your health. So go ahead, sign up, let me know how it goes. I cannot wait to hear from you. So sign up using the link. You're going to enter your name and your email. It'll be instantly given to you, and I'll see you inside. Bye for now.